All the good video them I go run out. No, 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 no. All the consistency I go run out. No, 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 no. What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you are not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, I literally just woke up. I have crust in my eyes, so if you're seeing those crusts, forgive me. Next thing, I just woke up, as I said, to do this quick video. I literally ripped the off my head, so I know that my hair is looking a bit big, so don't come for me. Number 3, you guys are not used to me recording at this angle, but things and times, they have changed. I am doing and going about things differently as I go along. Sometimes you may see me at this angle, sometimes you may see me at the original angle, but I'm just trying to get a feel of everything because moment of truth, I'm back. Yes, I said I'm back now. For the persons looking at me and saying, Rafaya, I'm tired. Guys, don't even sweat. I got your back, bitch.
I got your back, babe. I got your back. I got your back.
I got your back, bitch. Alright, let me put you guys up because my hands, they're hurting so bad. Like I was saying, I know that you guys are probably tired of hearing me come back with the sad stories, but it is literally what it is. Like, I have no control over it. Not making any excuses, but I do have a job. My job is not time friendly. So it is what it is. What I'm here to say, I am back. I'm not going to say that I'm going to be better than ever, but I am definitely 100% honestly going to do my best to stay as active as I possibly can.
Cap.
A girl is really trying out here. I'm really trying. So I really hope that you guys will just stick with me, understand what it is, understand what it's not. I have a lot of videos on my phone for you guys. This is basically just going to be the update video. I'm so sad right now that I always have to be coming here making these apology videos, but it's been like 2. I think this is the 3rd one. There is not going to be a 4th one, and I put that out in the universe. Father God, please help me to be consistent for my peoples, as I feel the energy. I feel that they're angry with me right now, but just let them know, dear Lord, that I'm trying my best. I'm going to do this for them, as I love them because they love me. This is my last apology / update video.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
You guys are going to be so proud of me to the point that you're not even going to believe. No, to give me the boosting, to give me the encouragement, just do this one thing for me. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, please. like the video if you haven't already, please. I don't want this video to be super long, and I don't want it to be all over the place. Like I said, I'm going to try my best to be more consistent, guys. To my babies that has been rocking with me through the thick, the thin, the rocky road, the smooth road, I see you. And we are in this together. We are in it to win it. Don't give up on me, please. And this is the last time. Ugh. And this is the last time I'm coming on here begging you guys for your forgiveness. This is the last time I'm going to come on here doing the update / apology video, because I have something on my sleeve. I can feel the consistency coming up. I can feel your energy. It's grabbing me saying, Rafaya, I know you got this and I'm sticking with you. Don't laugh. Yeah, you. Like, me see what you just do. I'm gonna like that. Why y'all laugh? You don't have no faith in me? Just believe in me, please. At the last time I come, me know say you're tired of hearing me I say, oh, update, oh, coming back. You realize this is not a coming back, you know, because me know say me already back, you know. Me just need to prove it to you, you know. You understand me? So just believe in me, no man. Just wall out for me, no man. Because I have your video them lock. And the energy where you just give off on me, change it. New thing me upon today. But yeah, that is it from me. If you guys haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please remember to like this video. Also, if you watch this video all the way to this part, I just want to issue a big thank you for you. You have no idea how appreciative I am of that. As well as follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is Ayafar with 3 R's. Hold the faith. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.